In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon in text in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page look cleaner, more visual, and easier to recognize at a glance, adding an icon is a simple way to do it. Icons can help highlight the purpose of a page, organize your workspace, and make important documents stand out. The good news is that this only takes a few clicks. To get started, go to your Notion page, open the page where you want the icon to appear, and make sure you're looking at the main page content and heading area. This is important because the icon is added at the page level, just above the title, rather than inside a regular line of text. Once you're on the correct page, you're ready for the next step. Now look above your heading text and click on Add Icon. You should see this option near the top of the page in the area where the page title is displayed. When you click it, Notion will open the icon picker for that page. This is where you can choose the visual symbol you want to associate with the page. If you don't immediately see the option, move your cursor near the page title area. Since Notion sometimes reveals these controls when you hover, after that, click on the icon you would like to add. Browse through the available choices and select the one that best matches the content or purpose of your page. As soon as you click an icon, Notion will apply it right away and you'll see it appear above the page heading. This gives your page a more polished look and makes it easier to spot in your sidebar or among other documents. A helpful tip here is to choose icons consistently across related pages. For example, you might use one style of icon for planning pages and another for notes or resources. That can make your workspace feel more organized without adding extra complexity. You can also change the icon later if you decide you want a different look, so don't worry about making the perfect choice the first time. And that's it. Once you've selected your icon, your Notion page will instantly have a more distinctive and professional appearance. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how easy your pages are to navigate and recognize.